Exploring Nelum Kuluna, A Guide to the Lotus Tower. Visual, the screen fades in with an aerial shot of the Lotus Tower against the Colombo skyline, with the title Exploring Nelum Kuluna, A Guide to the Lotus Tower in bold letters. Soft, ambient music plays in the background. Welcome to our guide on exploring the magnificent Lotus Tower, also known as Nelum Kuluna. This iconic structure stands as a symbol of modern Sri Lanka, blending culture and technology in a stunning architectural design. To the Lotus Tower. The screen transitions to a close-up of the Lotus Tower's exterior, showing its lotus-shaped structure and vibrant colors. Located in the heart of Colombo, the Lotus Tower is the tallest self-supported structure in South Asia, reaching a height of 356 meters. Inspired by the lotus flower, a symbol of purity and spiritual enlightenment in Sri Lankan culture, this tower is a marvel of modern engineering. Features of the tower. The screen shifts to a split view showing different features of the Lotus Tower, such as the observation deck, the restaurants, and the event spaces. The Lotus Tower offers a range of attractions for visitors. The observation deck provides breathtaking 360-degree views of Colombo, perfect for capturing stunning photos of the city and the ocean. Show a panoramic view from the observation deck with visitors looking out over the city. For those looking to dine with a view, the tower hosts several restaurants that offer a unique dining experience with both local and international cuisines. Visual, display shots of the interior of a restaurant with a focus on the view from the dining area. The technology behind the tower. Cut to behind-the-scenes footage showing the technology integrated into the Lotus Tower, including its telecommunications capabilities and light displays. Beyond its architectural beauty, the Lotus Tower serves as a major telecommunications hub for Sri Lanka, with advanced technology that supports broadcasting and telecommunications services. Show the tower's exterior lit up at night, with a vibrant, colorful light display. At night, the tower comes alive with a stunning LED light display, transforming the Colombo skyline into a vibrant, colorful spectacle. Transition to practical information about visiting the Lotus Tower, including ticketing, opening hours, and accessibility. Planning a visit to the Lotus Tower? Here's what you need to know. The tower is open daily from insert hours, with tickets available at the entrance or online. It's accessible to all, with facilities for differently abled visitors as well. Visual, show the ticketing area, entrance, and a map of the tower. Whether you're here to enjoy the views, dine in style, or attend a special event, the Lotus Tower offers an experience that combines culture, technology, and entertainment. Fade to a beautiful night shot of the Lotus Tower with the Colombo skyline in the background. The screen displays the text. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining us on this tour of the Lotus Tower. We hope you enjoy your visit to this remarkable landmark. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel and exploration guides.